Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how we can install TOR browser in our Android. So for that, we need to install two apps. One is TOR browser itself, other is Orbot. So let's do that. Let's open our Play Store. And if you just search TOR browser and click on install, TOR is going to install. And meanwhile, let me search Orbot. Hit enter. And Orbot TOR for Android, we have to install this also. So I'm going to fast forward this video till this installs. Yeah, TOR is installed, and Orbot is also installed. And you can click on next, and you can start it from here. Now it's connected to TOR browser, and also here you can set up the full device VPN from the settings, or you can select the particular apps where you can set up the TOR VPN. For now, we are going to just leave it as it is. And now let's go and open up our TOR browser. So TOR browser is installed now. Now from here we can set up our security level, and from here I'm going to select the safest. And now you can enter your dog web dweb address, and you can browse the TOR. I hope you like this video. If you like it, you can hit that like button. If you don't, you can hit that dislike button. And for future videos like this, you can subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye.